Hi, my name is Wilson Gomez. I am single. I am from Guaido. I am 18 years old. I study international business at UNAT. In my spare time, I like to read, or sometimes I prefer to go to the gym. I live in Guaido and I am going to tell you about this beautiful city. Guaido is a small city located in the department of Choco, Colombia. It is a city with a unique beauty. It has a beautiful boardwalk, and its people are very friendly and cheerful. Um, from September 19 to October 7, the patron saint festivity of San Pacho are celebrated. We usually prepare parades, concerts, and typical activity of our Choco culture. In conclusion, in my city you can full enjoy and align yourself with gastronomy. Some examples are fried fish, shiso, among others. Thank you.